Are you looking for quick ways to earn money on PayPal? Are you looking for methods that you can use repeatedly so you can exponentially grow your income? Well, you clicked on the right video, because today I will be showing you how to earn money easily without the need for prior experience. You don't even need to invest in anything to get started. Plus, the method is available in all countries worldwide. All you need to do is sign up for a free account, and I'll guide you through every step of this income-generating trick. But make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any significant steps, because I will be showing you bonus tips to maximize your earning potential. In order to get started with this strategy, you will first need a PayPal account. If you don't have one yet, I will walk you through the process of creating a free account. You can skip this part if you've already set up your account. If you are not familiar with it yet, PayPal is an e-commerce company that was developed to help facilitate money transfers online. Basically, it's like a wallet for online money where you can connect to your existing bank accounts. It's easy to use and transfers are done quickly. It's also very secure because it's been proven and tested by thousands of users already. So, to start with your PayPal account, go to paypal.com. And from there, you can set up a free account. Click over this blue Sign Up button, and you will be asked if you need this account for your personal use or for your business. As this method is personal, I suggest you choose personal. And then you can enter your personal details from there, starting with your mobile number, email, password, as well as your complete address. If you are done filling out the details, you can just verify your email address by going to your inbox and clicking the link that PayPal will send you, and your account is good to go. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. Now, let's get right into the video. The important website that I am about to show you, aside from PayPal, is a website called CAPTERRA.com. It's a platform that assists consumers with choosing the perfect software for their research needs and user reviews. Now, before you skip any part of this video, there are two warnings I will give you that you have to heed. First, the sign-up process on CAPTERRA is pretty complicated, so stick around if you want help in that area. The second warning is that you really have to wait and watch until the end of this video, because I will give you a template which you can copy and paste so that you can maximize your earning potential on CAPTERRA and PayPal. You can literally just copy everything, or you can tweak it if you want, but all the same, I will give it to you for free. Alright, so basically on CAPTERRA, they will pay you money via PayPal by simply writing reviews for different softwares. If you work your way through the website, you will see that they have hundreds of software categories which you can choose to write reviews on. The good thing about this is that you get paid for every single review that you will write. As I mentioned earlier, you don't need any technical skills to do this, nor do you need any experience in writing. You don't even need to have a great command of the English language. All you need to do is follow the step-by-step process that I will show you. Before we dive straight into writing the review, let me first ask you, my dear viewers, if you have had any experience with softwares for business and employee accommodation like Asana and other digital workspaces. Can you share your insights on these online workspaces so that we can help other viewers who are seeking to find similar methods? If you're done commenting down below, let's get on to the video. Now back to CAPTERRA, I want you to go to the top of the homepage and click on the button at the top right corner that says Write a Review. Clicking this link will redirect you to a page where you can search or simply look up any company or software that you want to write a review on. They may recommend popular software that you can write a review on like Shopify, GitHub, and Grammarly. My first bonus tip for you is that I want you to focus on Microsoft PowerPoint, which I know most of you are fully aware of and recognize this software. The reason why I want you to focus on this is that you are already familiar with it and it's so easy to use. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go back to the homepage of CAPTERRA and look for Microsoft PowerPoint on the search bar. Once you press enter and find the link to the profile of PowerPoint, click on it and go to Reviews. If you scroll down a bit, you will be able to find Write a Review. Take note that you can do this either from your phone or your computer. whichever is more convenient for you. Now, upon clicking Write a Review, you will immediately be redirected to a page where you can write the review itself. But first, you will have to fill out necessary details such as your name, your email address, your job title, your organization, and the industry that you work in. My important tip for you is that for the job title, I want you to put freelancer as your response. This is very important because leaving the job title field blank will not allow your review to be accepted as valid. Meanwhile, for the name of the organization, you can simply put self-employed. For the industry, you can click on the drop-down arrow and choose any industry you want, but you can simply just choose the computer software industry if you want. For the field that asks for company size, you can choose myself only because you put in that you are self-employed. You will also be asked about how long you have been using the software. Now, this is very important. Remember that you must not choose free trial or less than 6 months because you will not get paid if you choose these options. At the very least, you can choose 6 to 12 months or beyond that in order for your review to get paid on PayPal. Before we move on to the rest of the video, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. After filling out your personal information, CAPTERRA will ask you how frequently you use this software. From these options on the menu, I want you to choose weekly. Then, finally, for the questions that says what is your role in using this software, I want you to choose user. After that, you can click on the next and you will now move on to step number 2. For step number 2, you will basically start rating the software in terms of numerical value. You can rate as honestly as you can based on your experience with Microsoft PowerPoint. It's very simple. All you need to do is click on the stars and the numbers, and that's how you rate the software. I highly recommend that you put 4 to 5 stars in order to get your review to be more easily accepted. As you can see, there are also items that you can answer optionally. But still, I want you to answer these as these will earn your review more brownie points. Now, once you finish rating in numbers and stars, click on the next button and you will finally come to the last part of the review, which is the part where you actually write the review. Now, this step is very crucial because this is the part where many people fail to make money on CAPTERRA. As you can see, you first need a title for review. Then, you're going to write about the pros and cons or what you like and don't like about PowerPoint. Then, they will ask you to describe your overall experience with PowerPoint. I know that not all of you can master writing reviews quickly, so I have a free gift for you, which is a free template for the review. You can copy and paste this review or you can tweak it as much as you want, but the content has to stay somewhat similar. Take note that it's important for your review to be accepted on the first try because they will send you more and more softwares to review. If you fail to get approved and monetized on your first submission, they will not accept other reviews from you. But if you use my script that I will give you for free, you can get approved within 24 hours or less. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.